Attack on the main opposition parties. Prime Minister Modi today said that the people are his masters and remote control, and it is before them that he expresses his pain. Amid the massive row over the verbal abuses targeting him and his late mother, Hiraben Modi, the Prime Minister said that he is a devotee of Lord Shiv and that he will swallow the poison of abuses. The Prime Minister has been targeting the Congress over verbal abuses made from an RJD Congress stage during a recent political campaign in Bihar. The opposition party, meanwhile, has stressed that none of its leaders were on stage when the remarks were made. Thereafter, a row erupted over Congress creating an AI-generated video featuring the Prime Minister's mother. The PM said that Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma had shown him a remark by Mallikarjun Kharge after the centre decided to honour the late Bhupen Hazarika, the legendary singer from Assam, with the Bharat Ratna. First, listen in to the Prime Minister's attack.
कल जब मैं भूपेन दा की जन्म शताब्दी दिवस के कार्यक्रम में था तो रात को मुझे मुख्यमंत्री जी ने एक बात बताई और आज सुबह मुझे वो वीडियो भी दिखाया। ये देख करके मुझे बहुत गहरी चोट पहुंची। कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष का बयान उन्होंने मुझे दिखाया। जिस दिन भारत सरकार ने इस देश के महान सपूत असम के गौरव भूपेन दा हजारिका जी को भारत रत्न दिया, उस दिन कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष ने बयान दिया था। उस समय मेरे ध्यान में नहीं आया था, आज मुझे वो दिखाया गया। कांग्रेस पार्टी के अध्यक्ष ने कहा था कि मोदी नाचने गाने वालों को भारत रत्न दे रहा है। मैं आमतौर पर मुझे कितने ही गालियां दे, मैं तो भगवान शिव का भक्त हूं, सारा जहर निगल देता। लेकिन बेशर्मी के साथ जब किसी और का अपमान होता है तो मुझसे रहा नहीं जाता।
Now, Mallikarjun Kharge, who was not the Congress chief at that time, had sparked a row in 2019 with his remark on the Bharat Ratna to the late Bhupen Hazarika. Listen into the statement by the Congress chief shared by the Bharatiya Janata Party.
कल जो भारत रत्न अवार्ड दिए हैं एक गायक को दिया है, इसका बड़ा दुख हमको हुआ है। कल जो भारत रत्न अवार्ड दिए हैं एक गायक को दिया है, इसका बड़ा दुख हमको हुआ है। कल जो भारत रत्न अवार्ड दिए हैं एक गायक को दिया है, इसका बड़ा दुख हमको हुआ है।
My colleague Tejshri is joining us with more on this. Tejshri, clearly Mallikarjun Kharge's words are coming back to haunt him. What he said back then is now, of course, used by the BJP to attack the Congress, hit out at the Congress. The Prime Minister saying that it is the Congress that is humiliating, insulting those who are true icons of this country.
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister is on a 3-day tour to Northeast, and there we saw that how Prime Minister had strongly hit out at the Congress party, where he said that how Congress party mocks over the pride of who's the pride and who's the identity, and people respect him, Bhupendra Hazarika, and the kind of comments that the Congress party made that are very much deplorable, condemnable. And in fact, the Prime Minister also highlighted the fact that this is what the mentality of the Congress party is. Later on, he also goes on to say, he highlighted several points. He also mentioned about the development in the northeastern state. He spoke about infiltrators. He did speak about the insult of his mother that the Congress party has been doing. But the major part that he spoke on was the insult the Congress party did of Bhupendra Hazarika at that point of time. And then we have also heard what the Congress leaders have been saying. They, rather than directly answering the questions so as to the insult that has been done, they are deviating or deflecting from the actual issue, because we have been seeing that how the war of words have escalated. Say it be the controversy erupted over the video that got viral from the stage where the Prime Minister Modi's mother was abused in the poll-bound state of Bihar, and still at this point of time also no apology has come either from the party president or from the leader of opposition or from the Congress leader as well. They have condemned it, but none of them have apologized it. Rather than they are raising guns at the Prime Minister, saying that why now this entire issue is being politicized. Remember that apart from this, we also saw that Prime Minister Howe highlighted the fact that a number of attacks are being made on him, and he has got used to it now. But now if somebody in fact insults someone who is no more, that is quite absurd, that is quite condemnable and disappointing.
That's right. Tejasvi, thanks very much for joining us at the moment. Of course, viewers, we will keep getting you this political war of words between the BJP and the Congress. Right now, let's shift our focus and get you the big breaking news that is coming in at the moment. Sources are telling Times